What? It's your girl, Rain, whatever you prefer to call me, as long as you call me something. You dig? You dig? You dig? Today, we're going to be testing out autumn / fall / pumpkin spice / cinnamon /
Shut the hell up! Damn!
flavored things. Seasonal, if you will. Now, I have about 8 things to try. I was aiming for 10, but really, what you gon' what? I'm scared, y'all, because I don't even like pumpkin. I don't even like pumpkin, so this ought to be interesting. So I guess we can get started with the snacks then. Starting from the bike. Frosted mini wheats pumpkin spice. Yeah, I don't know what I thought about getting this, but yeah. Apple cider donut Oreos. I've never seen these in my life, but the fact that they exist scares me.
Are we for real today?
Yes, we for real today and every other day. 365, 24/7.
Milano, the Pepperidge Farm Milano cookies, but they're pumpkin spice flavored. Rich milk chocolate and the flavor of pumpkin spice between 2 delicious cookies. We'll motherfucking see. But we have the Little Bites pumpkin muffins. I don't imagine these are going to be good. If any of these are good and actually are delicious, I'd be surprised because this looks horrible. The Brock's autumn mix candy corn and pumpkins. I feel like I already know what some of these taste like. The Werther's pumpkin spice soft caramels. I just don't know why y'all feel y'all need to incorporate pumpkin into everything. Some things are better left alone. Ciao. Pumpkin spice Swiss Miss. We got pumpkin pie Pop-Tarts. This I think actually might be good. That is my hypothesis. This actually might be good because pumpkin pie is good. Pumpkin spice is different. Like, why are you making my pumpkin spicy? It's kind of weird to me. And we got some seasonal best limited edition pumpkin pie ice cream. So this should be really fun, right?
Nope.
I'm gonna start with the Little Bites. I can confirm that it indeed smells like a pumpkin. It also smells like a muffin, so let's take a bite. Okay, it's actually not bad. Like, I actually won't throw the Little Bites away. Like, I'll actually finish them. I give it a 6 out of 10. That's kind of good. It's kind of fire. You know, got me smacking it. Let's do the Pop-Tart next, shall we? It looks so pathetic. Like, this is just, I just want to crush it. Ew. All right, let's taste it. Like, I see what they were trying to go for, but I can barely taste any pumpkin. It just tastes like a regular Pop-Tart. Damn near brown sugar. I'd say 4 out of 10 because it kind of got a funky aftertaste. Let's do the Milano. Ooh. Sticky. I personally don't remember the last time I had a Milano cookie. I'm talking like childhood. I'm pretty sure I stole an adults because they always like to say it's fair enough, and I take that as a challenge. But this indeed stinks. Smells like booty and peanut butter, and it's ugly. Like, they didn't even make it cute. It's alright. 5 out of 10, very average. I don't think they really tried with this. Don't really taste the pumpkin spice. It just tastes like there's extra cream on there. 5 out of 10. 5 out of 10. I'm excited for these Oreos because I like apple cider. Let's see. It's giving a golden Oreo appearance. It's very creamy too. I don't know if that means I melted it. One out of 10. Don't ever bring this back out again. Damn. We're gonna do do the candy now. I know how candy corn tastes, but the other two I don't know how they taste. So candy corn. I don't dislike candy corn, but I don't like candy corn either. As a kid, I used to be the stupid kid to like eat the ends and then throw it away in the middle. I don't know why. Don't ask me why. The pumpkin looks gross. What's this on the end? Like, all tastes the same. 3 out of 10. Get it shine. We're gonna do the soft caramel next. Caramel, whatever you call it. Same. It stinks. It smells like factory plastic. Tastes like a regular caramel with the hint, and I do mean a very small hint of pumpkin spice, but I have to spit it out. It like too sweet. Let's get the water. Pour it in. I would have milk, but I'm gonna save my milk for my cereal because I'm running low. Y'all like my teapot? It was a housewarming gift from my best friend. Whenever I use Swiss Miss, because it's real, you know, weak. I put 2 packs in there, and I did that with this as well. Also, do y'all with my cup or what? It's a Golden Girls cup. Thank you for being a friend.
Oh, yeah.
I smell that pumpkin spice, but let me get a sip. Ouch, what the I do taste the pumpkin spice. It's not bad. I give it a 6.5 out of 10. This kind of slap. Hold on. Okay, 7 out of 10. We have the ice cream next. It has white spots in it. Let's have a taste. Ooh, that's nasty as and there's hard pieces in it. What is that? I knew that was gonna be nasty. Burger ice cream ain't even good to begin with. That's going straight in the trash. 0 out of 10. 0 out of 10. Last piece of this. Mini wheats. Let's get it. I actually like mini wheats. Look at this. Look at this. Let me put like 6 in here. Also, your girl is lactose intolerant.
I'm not finna do this.
blow that dress off.
I am not finna do this.
We do try to seem like we care about ourselves, so we got some lactose-free milk. It's Fairlife. It's actually pretty good. Let's have a bite. Do y'all stab y'all cereal before y'all eat it? Or is that just me? Because I like to. They're like regular mini wheats. They cap. These are like regular mini wheats. Oh wait! I tasted a little bit. Like a little tiny bit. I'm gonna keep these. These kind of slap too. 6 out of 10. I'm done eating everything that I showed you. We had some very nasty and we had some pretty decent. Out of this entire thing, the takeaway is seasonal fall autumn is nasty. Unless it's apple cider or the plain or cinnamon donuts. I'll be absolutely throwing away the apple cider donut Oreos, the candy, and the ice cream. Everything else is kind of like, I don't know. The hot chocolate, I'm gonna bust that down. And the frosted mini wheats, I'm probably gonna bust that down too. Everything else, I'll keep the muffins.
Bitch, look at your ass. Hungry, hippo looking ass.
But everything else is kind of like, But thank you for watching this video so much. If you like it, please comment, subscribe. I know I already said this already, but I'm really stressing this point and I gotta bring the point home because I really need y'all to get my views up. Please and thank you. I'm trying to quit my job because they're racist and they're garbage. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful night, y'all.